guys, my matcha kit is here. It finally arrived. I ordered this matcha kit from Amazon. I've been wanting one for a really long time, and if you saw my last vlog, I was actually shopping for one at H Mart. I saw tons of TikToks and Instagram posts of like all these girls finding the cutest sets at H Mart, and the day that I decided to go and purchase one, they're all sold out, like literally every single one. So I had no choice but to go on Amazon, and I ordered one and it just got here, and I'm so excited to use it and show you guys. So excited I decided to make a video about it. So here we are. I also needed to order a new throtter because for whatever reason I had one already and I added new batteries, and for whatever reason it stopped working. So I ordered this one. I already added batteries. Here we go. We're ready to do some cream, heavy cream for this matcha. So we're gonna open up this bad boy right here. This is the one I ordered. I'm not sure on the price, but I'll link it for you guys. I know it was pretty affordable and a lot less expensive than the rest of the options. I don't want to go too crazy because honestly, like, it's just a basic matcha set. So it's my first time I'm really getting into matcha, and I just really hate spending like literally $8–10 sometimes when I do add like a cold foam, or if I add any toppings. It's like everything is like $2, and it's like it adds up. So I comes with this, and I decided to start making my own. I did one last one, if you guys watched my last video, and it actually wasn't too bad for my first time, so I was really excited. So this is what it looks like. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. So I found this one because it literally came with everything. So it comes with a little wooden spoon. I really don't know the proper names on these pieces. And then it comes with this tiny little one. And it comes with the little whisking wand, which I had purchased at H Mart for literally $15. Now I have two. So it comes with this. And then it comes with this, and I'm not really sure what this is for, but from what I've seen, I think it's supposed to hold your whisk. It's what I am assuming, but if you guys know, comment down below. I'm telling you, I know nothing about matcha. I just love the way it tastes. And then I got this little cute ceramic bowl, and I love the little, it's not gold rim, but it looks gold to me, but it's like a light brown color. And so this is it right here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It comes with their little whisker. Comes with this. And of course this. So there it is. This is the entire set. I'm super excited. We're gonna make some matcha right now. And this is what the packaging looks like. And I'll link it for you guys. Again, it's from Amazon. And then this is the whisk that I bought. I've already had it. I had the same brand. I just repurchased the same one because I was really happy with it. But for whatever reason, it just stopped working. And I thought it was the batteries, but it wasn't. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm just going to put my hair up because it's so long. It gets on the way. I don't think I have a hair clip here, but this will do. All right. So I'm going to use my teapot to warm up some water. All right, so I've got some water here. All right, are y'all ready? We're gonna use my favorite Amazon glasses with my favorite Amazon glass straw. But to be honest with you, I really like sipping on my straw, on my matcha versus using a straw, especially if I'm gonna do a strawberry cold foam. That is so good with the matcha, and that's exactly what we're gonna do today. So this is what I'm gonna use for the cold foam. I'm gonna use some heavy cream and then some strawberry syrup. If I had fresh strawberries, I would honestly cut up some strawberries, put them down here and then just smash them up and then just do like a regular vanilla cold foam, and that will be the best. It's like 10 out of 10, but I don't have any strawberries, so we're gonna use some syrup, okay? All right, so let me move all of this out of the way. I just wanted to show you the packaging, but I'll have it linked for you guys anyways. And I don't think I'm gonna use this new one. I'm just gonna use the one I had already bought, and I'll just keep that one for when the other one breaks apart, I guess. I don't know. And then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this before I use it. And the water is ready. All right. They are nicely rinsed with warm water and soap, of course. Now they're nice and dry, and now that I think about it, I should have never maybe rinsed this one because now the matcha is gonna stick. So, okay, let's try to dry it up a little bit. Okay, I don't see any water, but I know it's still wet. Okay, all right, anyways, that's fine. Now let's get started. All right, so we're just whisking as much as we can until we get the right thick, creamy texture, I guess. Okay, it looks a little too watery, but let's keep doing this. I feel like I whisked it long enough and I think it's ready, so I'm gonna take my cup and I'm gonna add a cup of ice. And I'm gonna add some of my oat milk that I purchased from H-E-B. This is just a local grocery store here in Texas. I'm gonna add my milk in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and pour my matcha. That looks so good. Okay, so here's what it looks like, and I'm just gonna stir with my straw. And this is the actual perfect color that you want to achieve when you're making a matcha. Look at that. It is so good. And I've also have seen some people add honey just to make it a little bit more sweeter. I didn't this time, but let's see how it is. Oh wow, it's perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some strawberry foam, and for that we're gonna use this heavy cream that I purchased, and I'm gonna be using my strawberry syrup, and again you can do this with fresh strawberries as well. Okay, so we're just gonna add just a little bit of heavy cream in here, and maybe about 2-3 pumps of strawberry. That's 1, 2, 3. All right. And you're gonna grab your throtter and you're just going to mix. Okay, looks good already. You just wanna make sure it mixes and it gets like super thick and foamy. I mean, it's already thick as is. It is heavy whipping cream, but when you do this, it's like getting thicker and super foamy, and that's what you want to achieve. Okay, let me go ahead and rinse this. Okay, so this is what it looks like in here. And we're just going to pour it over your matcha. See how thick it is? And this is why I say I like to sip it versus using a straw, because when you sip it, you get both flavors combined, and it is 10 out of 10, you guys. I think what I can also recommend is you adding your strawberry whip or whatever type of cream flavor that you're using at the bottom before you pour in your matcha or the milk. That way you have your flavor down here, the matcha, and then you can also add another topping or layer on the top, and that will give you like the 3-layer effect, which is what you mostly see at a lot of like tea shops or Starbucks. So that's another way to achieve that look and get the full flavor effect if you're going to be using a straw. Here I added my little whisk on top of this little cute ceramic piece it came with. I guess this is what it's for. It's just a holder, and this is how I'm going to be storing it over in my coffee Butler's pantry. Isn't that cute? And then I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse my bowl and then let it dry before I put it away. So if you guys decide to get your first matcha kit, or if this is gonna be your first matcha kit, or you're just getting into matcha, this is like the perfect kit. It comes with everything you need and stress-free. It comes even with instructions of how to make your matcha. So you don't even have to go and watch TikToks or videos or anything like that, because it gives you like step-by-step instructions, which I should have probably read first. But I've seen so many videos over and over that I kind of... Well, that was rude. Just kidding, my camera died. But anyways, like I was saying, if you are gonna be making matcha for the first time, this is going to be the perfect direction, because it literally gives you step-by-step instructions of how to get started and how to make your own matcha. So this little kit here is perfect. It comes with everything. And I should have probably waited the first time I made the matcha, but I was just so desperate to really start making matcha. I thought I was gonna find it at H Mart, but I didn't. So I just bought my whisk separately, but it's okay, no big deal. I just have an extra one now. But yeah, this is exactly how I make my matcha, and I just wanted to show you guys. This is not an instructional video. I'm not an expert. I'm just trying it out. I'm loving matcha, and this is just the way I'm making my own. If I did something wrong, I mean, you guys are more than welcome to comment down below. It's okay. I'll take your advice. But yeah, if you guys have any other recipes for these little flavor foams, I'll take it. Leave them down below in the comments. But I just wanted to show you. I was so excited to try out my first new kit, and I even decided to make a video for y'all. So here it is, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching.